Hello, hello everybody. Today I'm going to tell you the summary of Two Little Soldiers. This is the story from class 11 new course 6 number story Two Little Soldiers, written by Gay D. Maupassant. He has written this story, and this story is a love story. If we read about this, then we can know about the love story of two soldiers. This is also known as a triangular love story. This is known as a triangular love story because three people are involved in this love story. Three people, two soldiers and one girl. And that's why this is also known as a triangular love story. It is a very tragic ending. यसको जुन अन्त्य छ त्यो धेरै दुःखद छ किनकि अन्त्यमा दुईवटा साथीबाट एकजनाको मृत्यु हुन्छ। त्यसकारणले गर्दा यो ट्रेजिक एन्डिङ छ। मोस्ट अफ द स्टोरीज हैव द ह्याप्पी एन्डिङ बट दिस हैज द tragic ending, and it also shows, this story also shows about the friendship, that how friends are helpful to us, friendship, and at the same time how a friend becomes deceptive toward his own friend. आफ्नै साथीप्रति कसरी मान्छेहरूले फरेब धोकाबाज आदिहरू धोकेबाज जस्तो कुराहरू पनि उनीहरू गर्छन् भन्ने कुरा पनि देखाएको छ। साथीता पनि छ भने त्यसमा फरेब धोकाबाजी पनि कुराहरू यसमा दिएको छ। सो दिस स्टोरी इज अबाउट द फ्रेन्डशिप एन्ड deception as well, jealousiness, how a friend becomes jealous on his own friend, right? So this story is about both, related to both. Actually in this modern time we are looking such type of things nowadays. Our friends only become our own enemy and they work like that. Somebody has said that मुझे दोस्तों से बचा के रखना, दुश्मनों से तो मैं सावधान रह जाऊंगा। मुझे दोस्तों से बचा के रखना, दुश्मनों से मैं सदा सावधान रहता हूँ। We all are very much careful from our enemies, but we are quite very polite to our friends, and they harm us a lot, they hurt us a lot sometimes. So this story is about two soldiers, and the two soldiers name, you must remember the two soldiers name. The first soldier name is Luc Lee Ganidek. So French names a little bit difficulty for the pronunciation, but Luc Lee Ganidek, first soldier name. This is not तीन जना को नाम ही हो ना, एक ही जना को नाम हो। एक जना को नाम के भएको लक ली ग्यानिडेक र अर्को को नाम भएको जीन क्यार्डेरन। तर क्यार्डेरन भन्नु जरुरी पर्दैन, जीन मात्रै यसको लक र जीन यो दुईजना सोल्जरहरू थिए, एन्ड दे युज टु वर्क इन they used to get the training in a barrack, army barrack. Luckily Ganidek and Jean are the major characters of this story. They are soldiers and they mostly spend their time out of sight of the area in the woods in countryside. On every Sunday they got holiday to go outside to visit, so they used to go outside to relax themselves. They enjoyed themselves by buying the wine, food, snacks and other things. यसरी घुमेर एउटा सानो देहात थियो, गाउँ थियो, त्यहाँ सानो एउटा जंगल पनि थियो, त्यसैको बगलमा साइडमा उनीहरू घुमेर इन्जॉय गर्ने गर्थ्यो। There was also a Bajan's bridge. On the Bajan bridge they used to stop and they used to bend on the railing, watching the beautiful scene downside of the scene. They used to see the beautiful scenes, beautiful views, and they used to enjoy themselves. These all things were their daily, not daily, weekly habit. प्रत्येक आइतबार उनीहरू त्यहाँ जाने गर्थे, त्यहाँ घुम्ने गर्थे, तिनीहरू खाने पनि गर्थे र जंगलतिर हेर्ने पनि गर्थे. This was their weekly habit. There they happened to see a young girl who brings her cow to graze and milks there as well. There they saw a girl. The girl used to bring her cow to graze in that near small forest जो जंगलको साथमा जुडेको थियो. त्यहाँ उनी आफ्नो गाईलाई ल्याउने गर्थिन्, चराउने गर्थिन् र त्यही कहिलेकाहीँ दूध पनि निकाल्थिन्. And they wanted to talk. Everybody, you know that when anybody sees the girl, they want to have some conversation with her. So they also wanted to have conversation, but they could not. But one day, on one Sunday, she herself talks with them. आफैले उनीहरुसँग कुरा गर्छिन् र उनीहरुलाई केही दूध पनि दिन्छिन्. Now they thought that the line is clear now. So they became very happy. And on that very Sunday, she promised that she would come next Sunday. उनले भनिन् कि म अर्को सन्डे पनि तपाईहरुसँग भेट गर्न आउने छु, तपाईहरु आउनु होला. Now they are very much happy to be invited by the young beautiful girl, and she indeed came next Sunday. सन्डे को दिनमा जानु भन्दा पहिला यिनीहरुले विचार गर्यो कि केही गिफ्ट त उसको लागि किनौ, we have to buy something because we have been invited by a young girl, so it is better to buy something for her. So they thought and bought some candies for her, some candies, and they arrived there in the forest. She was waiting there. यिनीहरू त्यहाँ गयो र तर कसैलाई हिम्मत भइरहेको थिएन कि म तपाईको लागि एउटा गिफ्ट ल्याएको छु, एउटा खानेकुरा ल्याएको छु, तपाईं लिनुहोस्, यो भन्नको लागि दे डिडन्ट डेयर टु से. बट लक ली ग्यानिडेक, he dared to say. He went toward the girl and said that we have brought something for you. So she accepted that. What is that? Then Jean handed it to her. Jean handed it to her. उसले जुन क्यान्डिज ल्याएको थियो उनको लागि ऊ उलाई दियो. उनी खाइन् and she became very happy. Similarly, the days passed. Sundays after Sundays, they used to go, she used to come, they used to talk, they used to bring something, she used to give them milk as well, and she was showing her equal love toward all too. Like the movie Gunde, you might have seen the movie Gunde. So त्यसमा पनि एउटा केटीले दुवैतिर आफ्नो मायाको भाव देखाउँथिन्. यहाँ पनि दुवै सोल्जरतिर उनी आफ्नो मायाको भाव देखाउँथिन्. मतलब दुवैजनासँग समान रूपले इक्वल बिहेभियर, इक्वल treatment she was doing, talking and offering the milk and teasing with them, flirting with them as well. दुवैजनालाई थाहा थिएन कोसँग माया हुने गर्थिन्. The three became close friends. Later on, the time passed and they became close friends. The girl begins to eat their meal with them and seemed to show equal attention to both boys. उनीहरू जुन खाना लान्थ्यो नि किनेर त्यो उनीसँगै उनीहरूको सँगै खाने गर्थिन् र इक्वल एटेन्सन बराबर ध्यान सबैमा दुवैमाथि बराबर ध्यान उनी दिन्थिन्. They couldn't find out that to whom did she love Lord. They couldn't find it because she was showing the equal attention to both. They shared their personal details and events with each other, and after that, as a friend, they used to share their details, their names, their homes, their parents, or so on. These personal details they used to tell. आफ्नो व्यक्तिगत विवरणहरूको बारेमा पनि कुराकानी उनीहरू गर्ने गर्थे. मतलब तीनैजना एउटा राम्रो साथीको रूपमा उनीहरू भइहाल्यो. प्रत्येक सन्डे यिनीहरूले टाइम पाइ नै हाल्थ्यो. यिनीहरू सिधा अब त्यही गइहाल्थ्यो. त्यहाँ गएर उसँग कुरा गरेर बस्नु, इन्जोय गर्नु, घुम्नु आदि यस्तो कुराहरू हुन्थ्यो. But one day what happened that up to now the friendship was going very good. Both were friends. But if a girl comes inside, I think that the inner friendship is भित्रको जुन साथीयता हुन्छ नि त्यो पनि हलिहाल्छ र मान्छे ईर्ष्यालु हुन थाल्छ. Because if you haven't the better sense about the world, about the life, you will definitely be trapped in such type of things. यस्तै भयो लकलाई. लक एक दिन के भयो कि आफ्नो साथी जिनसँग बिना भनिकन त्यो केटीलाई भेट्न गयो. सन्डे हैन, त्यो गयो ट्युसडेमा. He went there to meet the girl on Tuesday, and after that on Thursday, and he told his friend that he was going to do something. उसैसँग पैसा पनि लिएको थियो सामान किन्नलाई, तर जिनलाई यो कुरा बताएको थिएन कि म उसैसँग भेट गर्न गइरहेको छु जोसँग हाम्रो दुवैजनाको मन लागेको छ. त्यो कुरा बताएन. He just went to meet on Tuesday, remember the day, on Tuesday and on Sunday he used to meet her, and thereafter they came quite close. Means the girl and Luck, they came quite close, and next Sunday they both go to meet her. यो ट्युसडे र थर्सडे मा भेट गरिसकेपछि अर्को सन्डे जब आयो नि, त्यो सन्डेमा त दुवैजनालाई जानुपर्ने थियो. दुवैजना त्यहाँ गयो. But Jean was surprised to see the behavior of the girl toward Luck, which was quite unusual than before. पहिला भन्दा उसको व्यवहारमा परिवर्तन हेर्यो किनकि उ आफ्नो एटेन्सन बढी लकतिर दिइरहेकी थिइन्. किनकि यो वेडनेसडे ट्युसडे र थर्सडेमा त अलरेडी भेट गरिसकेको थियो, and they had passed their time as well. We can think about I think you can understand that. So they had passed their time. That's why she was showing her attention toward the Luck only, and this was noticed by Jean. Something might have happened. Later, Jean came to know the reality, the secret about going on Tuesday and Thursday. अब जिनलाई यो कुरा थाहा भयो कि यो मंगलबार र बृहस्पतिबार बिहीबार उसँग मलाई छलेर भेट गर्न गएको थियो भन्ने कुरा उले थाहा भयो. Now Jean began to think his friend as a betrayer. He felt very bad inside because they were very close friends. He didn't think that he would do like this, but he did. That's why he felt very bad. And then Jin feels so upset and gloomy to see the sudden change of behavior of the girl toward Luck. उसको व्यवहार हेरेर लकतिरको व्यवहार हेरेर यो बडा सरप्राइज भएको र उदास पनि भयो कि सायद यसले केही न केही गरेको छ. लेटर जिन कम्स टु नो अबाउट वाइ लक had gone out on Tuesday and Thursday. उसलाई यो रहस्य पनि थाहा भएको पहिला नै म भनिदिए त्यसमा पहिला नै उसले थाहा भएको किन गएको थियो. देयर आफ्टर अन द नेम अफ सर्चिङ द काउ गाई खोज्ने बहानामा लक र त्यो केटी जङ्गलभित्र पसे र लामो समयसम्म केही लामो समय भन्दाखेरि 3-4 वर्ष हैन आधा 1 घण्टासम्म गाई खोजीको बहानाले तिनीहरू जङ्गलभित्र नै रहे. एन्ड दे पास देयर टाइम, दे इन्जॉयड देमसेल्फ. आफ्टर सम टाइम दे केम आउटसाइड बाई टेकिङ द काउज. गाईहरू पनि लिएर उनीहरू आयो. आउँदाखेरि पनि उनी पहिला जस्तो दूध अफर गर्थिन् जिनलाई त्यसरी अफर गरिनन्. सी डिडन्ट लुक टुवर्ड जिन. She only showed her love toward Luck and she kissed him as well. So यो हेरेर पक्का यसलाई भयो कि यिनीहरूमा केही आपसमा केही सम्बन्ध भएको छ. They are in relationship. So he felt very bad, not because the girl loved Luck, only because Luck deceived him. मलाई झुटो बोलेर यसले यस्तो गर्यो यो उसको मनमा आइसकेको थियो. That's why while returning, when they were returning, he was already gloomy. Jin was already gloomy. He was very sad. उदास त थिदै थियो. फर्कने बेलामा त्यही बिजनको पुलनिर रेलिङनिर यसरी उभिरहेको थियो र उसको मनमा आफ्नो साथीले धोका दिएको भाव त थिदै थियो. धेरै उदास थियो केटा. रेलिङमा यस्तो पुलनिर उभिँदा उभिँदै माथिबाट तल खसिहाल्यो, कुदिहाल्यो भनौँ न. जिन कुदिहाल्यो, आत्महत्या गरिहाल्यो. He suicided himself because he couldn't bear the trouble that was caused by his own nearer, dearer, closer friend. आफ्नै नजिकको साथीबाट धोका पाएकोमा ऊ सहन सकेन कि यो जीवनमा म कसमाथि विश्वास गरौँ. जुन साथीमाथि म विश्वास गरेको थिएँ उसैले मलाई धोका दियो भने यो संसारमा अरू कसमाथि विश्वास गरौँ. That's why thinking all these things, he jumped downside and Luck was on the bridge. He was looking, his friend was drowned and died. In this way the story ends. तर म पहिला नै भनेको थिएँ we shouldn't follow this last scene. I think we shouldn't fall in love as well because today's loves are just SMS, and blackmailing matters. It has become blackmailing matters. So we should not fall in such type of things. Actually, the story is from the French writer and they have this type of things. We Nepalese don't want to have this. And it has been selected in our book. That's why I have to teach. Otherwise, I didn't want to teach it. I didn't want to make the video. तर यो त्यसमा भएको हुनाले म बनाइरहेको छु किनकि उनीहरुतिर यस्तै टाइपको कुराहरु भइरहेको हुन्छ. हामी त्यस्तो कुरै नगरौं कि हामीले यस्तो गर्नु परोस् र आत्महत्याको बारेमा सोच्नु, सुसाइडको बारेमा सोच्नु यो मूर्खता हो. इट शुड नट बी बिकज इन आवर एथिक्स हाम्रो बुकमा लेखेको छ आत्महत्या गर्ने व्यक्तिको मलामी जानु पनि पाप लाग्नु हो रे. उनीहरुको खुट्टामा डोरी बाँधेर कुकुर घिसारे जस्तो घिसाएर शमशानमा हैन बाहिर कतै कचरापट्टीतिर लगेर फ्याकिदिनु पर्छ रे. That's why it's not your life. The life is related to your family members and many of your family members and friends are happy by looking your life. That's why you don't have the right to kill your life. I hope you understood because I spoke in Nepali and in English as well to make you understand. So this is all about the story. Thank you.